I had the pleasure to witness the stunning progress which China has done in recent years in space. China has a very clear vision on how to go forward in space, and China is active on all domains of space, be it now human space flight, with now already the Chinese space station fully operational, in the navigation area with Beidou, in lunar exploration, in Mars exploration, in satellite technologies. So all this is really stunning, and our community, the worldwide community, has really admired these progresses over the last years.
在我们国家呢，这个行业正在一个蓬勃发展的这么一个阶段。那当前呢，随着这些商业公司的不断的加入，这个商业也就是我们未来整个产业怎么样去闭环，怎么样能够完成这样的一个大的闭环。